The other article was about the CBI reforms were recognized in UAE quarterly meetings in the United Arab Emirates. And basically, they met at the UAE, they met with the U.S. financial authorities alongside the global auditing companies. They met with the U.S. Treasury and the Federal Reserve, yielded positive results, the Central Bank of Iraq announced today. This was breaking news today out of Iraq. They also met with the global auditing and consulting firms EY, Ernst & Young, K2 Consulting, or K2 Integrity, and Oliver Wyman. Wyman is the one auditing the central bank. Ernst & Young is the one auditing the government of Iraq. So guys, they're on it. You want to change your hat now to believe that this is done. Do you believe this was done? Is this still backwards? I hope not, because I changed my camera hoping it's going to work. I don't know. If this appears backwards, let me know. Backwards or forwards or correct, let me know. So guys, I'm trying everything I can to keep the chat clean with my mods, and also with the changes I made to my settings. I'm hoping the settings will also work if I choose to show you something like my steps, right? The 3 steps to a safe exchange. I'm hoping you can see this accurately now. Let me know, comment down below if you can see it accurately, or is it still backwards? I changed the setting on my camera that somebody suggested, and I was very grateful for it, that they mentioned that setting. So guys, I'm doing everything to make this clean for you. And so please subscribe, tap the bell. So anyways, the discussions of the reforms undertaken by the Central Bank of Iraq and the Iraqi government to strengthen the banking sector. And the reforms highlighted were improvements to the US dollar cash distribution system in Iraq, which was described as one of the most closely monitored systems globally because it's only through the correspondent banks. I did a format in my afternoon live that it described this a little bit. I'm going to show it to you. Oliver and Wyman is auditing the CBI. The CBI only has certain correspondent banks that are part of this meeting because they're the ones that can handle the transfers of foreign currency to correspondent banks. The ones that are outside will be targeted and maybe even be sanctioned, the ones that are not part of their new handy-dandy digital system. So that's what they're saying here. Reform strategies for both government and private banks presented by consultancy firms E&Y and Oliver and Wyman to facilitate Iraq's integration into the global financial network.